Imagine grading entire civilizations by their mastery of energy and technology, like handing out cosmic report cards. That's essentially what the Kardashev scale sets out to do. Proposed in 1964 by Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, this scale measures a civilization's technological advancement based on how much energy it can harness and consume. Think of it as a galactic yardstick, helping us understand the potential heights a civilization might reach. In our cosmic classroom, the Kardashev scale acts as a grading system, ranking civilizations not by their test scores but by their energy prowess. A Type 1 civilization, like a bright-eyed student, has mastered the energy resources of its home planet. Type 2, a more advanced scholar, can harness the entire energy output of its star. And then there's the valedictorian, Type 3, wielding the energy of an entire galaxy. Each type represents a significant leap in technological sophistication, reflecting a civilization's capacity to control and utilize the universe's raw power. A Type 1 civilization, or a planetary civilization, represents a society that has graduated from relying on fossil fuels and rudimentary energy sources. Imagine a village evolving into a bustling city, powered by the wind, the tides, the very heart of its planet. This civilization can control the weather, prevent natural disasters, and extract energy from every corner of its world. They've become masters of their planetary domain, utilizing its resources with remarkable efficiency. It's a testament to their ingenuity, a symphony of technological prowess played out on a planetary scale. Imagine a civilization so advanced they've outgrown their home planet, their energy needs surpassing anything imaginable to us. These are the Type 2 civilizations, masters of their solar system, wielding the power of their very own star. We're talking about structures like the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure enveloping a star, capturing every photon of energy it emits. A Type 2 civilization could use this energy to power unimaginable feats of technology and engineering, perhaps even manipulating space-time itself. Think of it this way: if a Type 1 civilization is like a bustling city, a Type 2 is a sprawling, interconnected metropolis, its reach extending across the entire solar system. Now let's journey further up the Kardashev scale to the awe-inspiring Type 3 civilization. These cosmic architects have transcended the limitations of a single star system. Their civilization spans across the galaxy, harnessing the energy of billions of stars. Their technology would be so advanced, it would appear indistinguishable from magic to us. They might even be able to manipulate the very fabric of space-time, creating wormholes for interstellar travel. If a Type 2 civilization is a galactic metropolis, a Type 3 is a sprawling, interconnected empire, its influence spanning across the vast expanse of the Milky Way. The Kardashev scale, as originally conceived, stops at Type 3. But what lies beyond? Imagine civilizations that control not just galaxies, but entire universes. These hypothetical Type 4 civilizations would possess godlike powers, manipulating the fundamental laws of physics. And then, we have the truly mind-boggling Type 5 civilizations, masters of the multiverse, existing across dimensions beyond our comprehension. These concepts push the boundaries of our understanding, blurring the line between science fiction and theoretical possibility. But who knows? Perhaps somewhere out there in the vast cosmic ocean, these civilizations are not just a theoretical possibility but a breathtaking reality. We humans, with all our ingenuity and ambition, have gazed upon the stars for millennia, dreaming of distant worlds and advanced civilizations. But where do we stand on this grand cosmic scale? As of now, we are but a fledgling civilization, still grappling with the challenges of harnessing our planet's resources. We are a Type 0 civilization, yet to fully graduate to the Type 1 level. But there's hope. Our relentless pursuit of knowledge, coupled with our technological advancements, suggests we're on the cusp of a new era, We're like adolescents testing our limits, eager to reach adulthood. The journey from a Type 0 to a Type 1 civilization is akin to a village transforming into a bustling metropolis, a testament to our collective growth and potential. The pursuit of progress is not without its perils. Like a child discovering the power of fire, we must learn to wield our technological advancements responsibly. The same tools that can elevate our civilization can also lead to our downfall if misused. The dangers of unchecked technological growth are manifold. From environmental degradation to the potential for self-destruction, the challenges we face are significant. Yet these risks are not insurmountable. They are a call for caution, a reminder that progress requires wisdom and foresight. Our journey towards a Type 1 civilization is a delicate tightrope walk, demanding balance and careful consideration. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Our steps towards a Type 1 civilization are evident in the ambitious projects we undertake. Consider the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, an endeavor to harness the power of fusion, the very energy source of stars. This is a testament to our growing ability to manipulate the forces of nature. Then there are ventures like SpaceX, pushing the boundaries of space exploration, laying the groundwork for a future where humanity becomes a multi-planetary species. These are not mere flights of fancy, but tangible steps towards fulfilling our cosmic destiny. They are the seeds of a future where we transcend our current limitations and become a truly advanced civilization. The Kardashev Scale, as we've seen, is a mind-expanding way to think about the potential of civilizations. But it also raises a galaxy of questions. How long will it take for humanity to reach Type 1 status? What are the biggest hurdles we face in harnessing the full power of our sun? And what about those enigmatic Type VOI and V civilizations, manipulating the very fabric of the universe? In this chapter, we'll open up the cosmos to your queries, diving deep into the science and speculation surrounding these advanced civilizations and the technologies that might get us there. It's time to engage in a cosmic conversation. As we ascend the Kardashev scale, we must confront not only the scientific challenges, but also the profound ethical and philosophical dilemmas that accompany such progress. Imagine a civilization with the power to manipulate stars, a Type 2 civilization. Would they have the wisdom to wield such power responsibly? Would they consider the consequences for other life forms, other civilizations that may exist in their stellar neighborhood? Or consider a Type 3 civilization, spanning an entire galaxy? What happens when their expansion encroaches upon another galactic civilization? Would they be benevolent explorers or ruthless conquerors? These questions force us to look inward, to examine our own values and ethics, and to ask ourselves what kind of future we are building. The future of humanity on the Kardashev scale is a story yet to be written. We are at the cusp of a technological revolution with fusion power, space-based solar power, and advanced nanotechnology on the horizon. These emerging technologies hold the potential to propel us towards a Type 1 civilization and beyond. But such progress requires more than just scientific ingenuity. It demands international collaboration, sustainable development, and a commitment to using our newfound power for the betterment of all humankind. Just as the invention of the telescope opened our eyes to the vastness of the cosmos, so too will these new technologies reveal unimaginable possibilities for our future. We've journeyed through the vast expanse of the Kardashev scale, a cosmic yardstick measuring a civilization's energy mastery. From harnessing the power of our planet to commanding the energy of stars and galaxies, we've glimpsed the potential that lies ahead for humanity. But this journey is not merely about technological progress. It's about our growth as a species. Our understanding of the universe and our place within it shapes our values, our ethics, and our aspirations for the future. Let us continue to explore, to question, to learn, and to engage in the grand conversation about our cosmic destiny. By embracing knowledge and understanding, we can ensure that our journey through the cosmos is one of progress, enlightenment, and shared prosperity.